Wow, wow, yeah, yeah. Girl, I no come here to play. Oh yeah, they give me romance. Yeah, girl, I no come here to look face. I come this place to rock. Yes, bend low for me, shall you for me, break your back for me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Today I'm going to show you how I secure this unit with an elastic band, you guys. I tend to not glue my units down. I only use an elastic band, and I'm going to use a needle and thread. And so I'm showing you the inside construction, you guys. It has two combs on the side, one large comb in the back. And so right now I'm just going to show you how I sew on my elastic band to make sure that my units are nice and snug and they don't move throughout the day. Alright, so this unit is from Bestlacewigs, you guys. It's 18 inches. It's a kinky, yucky texture. So yeah. Right now, I'm just sewing on the elastic band on the side, and I tend to sew it, you guys, right behind the comb area. I find that to be the perfect location for me. I've messed up in the past where I've sewed it on other places, and the unit did not sit right on my head.
Be feeling the jam with the party tonight for the place. All of them girls are feeling the jam till they scream my name.
So now I'm showing you the other side and how I sew the other side quickly. You guys, this is the perfect method if you don't want to glue your units down, which I never really do, honestly, because I take them off each night. And so, yeah, I would encourage you to do that to secure that unit, to secure that wig, sis. So here I'm just showing you how it looks. And I am putting it on my head, of course, adjusting it just to make sure that it is, you know, sitting nice and tight and flat.
Yeah, yeah.
So here I did have some problems with the side tabs, you guys. One of the sides I just couldn't get down for some reason. I don't know why. So yeah, I'm showing you though right here. I'm showing you the pre-pluckedness of it all. So I was going to try to use my Got To Be glue just on the side to see if I can lay it down. So I was able to do it on one side, but the other side, it was just giving me too many problems. So it doesn't matter. I'm not the type of person that wears my hair up anyway. So it'll be covered. So yeah, that's the side I just couldn't get down with Got To Be glued or just anything. So I just pretty much gave up at this point. I was like, that's fine. My unit is still snug on my head. It's not going anywhere. Mainly because of the elastic band, not because of that little Got To Be glue that I put on the other side. So at this point, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and straighten out this unit and see how it looks. And so I'm showing on camera one side of me straightening the hair out. And this unit, you guys, straightens out beautifully. Oh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So at this point, I'm showing you the difference between one side and the other. One straightened, the other one not. And so yeah, I'm just combing it out, showing you again the parting space, the hairline, which is absolutely amazing, as you can see. Showing you that I use a little bit of my Garnier. And yeah, I flattened out the top, and that's it, you guys. Enjoy the sleigh. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. Bye!
Shall you for me, break your back for me, yeah, yeah. Show me love, say make you sigh for me. Bend low for me, break your back for me. Show me loving, yeah. Oh yeah, mommy, go down. Oh yeah, mommy, go down. Oh yeah, mommy, go down. Oh yeah, mommy, oh yeah, mommy, go down. Oh yeah, mommy, yeah. Oh yeah, mommy, go down. Oh yeah, mommy, go down. Try you for my ladies, boy.